just a dream, just all in my head. Floating rivers upstream, the things that you said. Tell me and be honest. Tell me, did you know that you would be leaving me just like the winter's snow? Tell me and be honest. Tell me, should I've known that you'd be leaving me so painfully quiet and slow? I try my best to move on, to let go. They say time is a healer, just you wait and see. The problem is for me, I need an eternity. So tell me and be honest. Tell me, did you know that you would be leaving me just like the winter snow? Tell me and be honest. Tell me, should I known that you'd be leaving me so painfully quiet and slow? I try my best to move on, letting go. Letting go.
Alright, so I mixed up some very bubbly resin. I'm going to use some of these maybe to go into like making the water, and maybe some of this. We'll see. I don't want to do too much. Maybe I'll just put it in the water. But I did want to have it a little bit separate, so I'm gonna kind of mix these up a little bit. I'm just putting a little drop because I'm not gonna have a lot. I want it to be mostly clear resin. Oops, that's more than a drop. Alright, so I already mixed up some resin. Yeah, just pour a little bit. And I got my little toothpick here. So this is all I need. I'll put this in first because this is the one that's a lot of paint in it. So if it's on top, I'm afraid it'll not cure right. See, and this is just like a drop. So now I could actually pour it. Just making it look organic, you know.
Tell me, should I know? Just tell me and be honest. Tell me, did you know that you would be leaving me just like